Hey Chillzillas! Welcome to our channel where we talk about all things beauty and wellness. My name is Dana and I am the founder of Just Lago. We are a collective of artists nationwide based in San Diego. Instead of being a Bridezilla, we bring out the Chillzilla in you. Today we are going to be talking about the 4 things that you need to know before booking your bridal trial and the questions that you have surrounding your bridal trial. If you'd like to learn more, please keep watching. So the first thing that you need to know about your bridal trial is, what is a bridal trial? A bridal trial is an appointment that we set up months before your big day where we can test out any hair and makeup looks. So you want to book your bridal trial ideally 3 to 6 months before your wedding because you might need to have any skin preparations, hair preparations, you might need to order some extensions. So you want to make sure you give yourself enough time before your wedding that we can discuss all the things you need before perfecting your wedding day look. It's also a great idea to book your bridal trial before an event. So this can be before your engagement shoot, maybe before your bridal shower, because your hair and makeup will be already done. For your bridal trial, we make sure the artists that are going to be there for your wedding day will be there for your bridal trial. That way, everyone is connected before your big day. The third thing you need to know is, how long is the bridal trial appointment? If you are doing your hair and makeup at the same time, that is 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. And if you are doing just hair or just makeup only, it is about an hour. The fourth thing you need to know before booking your bridal trial are, what are the preparations before you come to see us. Make sure that your hair is fully dried and ready to go. Please add any serums or moisturizers to your face before your bridal trial. And then also bring inspiration photos for us to look at, and make sure that you not only have inspiration photos of the back of the head, but also the front of the head. So think about different ways that you'd like to part your hair. Maybe if it's down the middle, to the side, or straight back. We can also play with this the day of the trial. We love adding extensions for your wedding day look, so please feel free to bring extensions that you have. And if you don't know if you need extensions or not, we can totally talk about that during your bridal trial after looking over the photos that inspire your wedding day look. We are here to make sure that your hair and makeup is on point and you are looking your best for the best day of your life. Now on to some frequently asked questions that I get before booking your bridal trial. Is the makeup waterproof? And yes, your makeup is 100% waterproof. We know that there are going to be some beautiful happy tears, so we want to make sure that your look is set all day and all night long. Your look and your curls will stay all night long. Thanks so much for tuning in. Feel free to check us out at justlago.com. Follow our journey at Just Lago over on Instagram. Send us a DM. Send us some positive vibes our way. Comment below. Let us know how your Chillzilla journey is going. Like this video if you're a Chillzilla. Like this video if you're a Bridezilla and you can't seem to be a Chillzilla, because we'll help you out, girl. Like this video if your puppies make a cameo in every video that you try to film. Like this video if you're a sun sign. Stay tuned for more videos on how to look and feel your best before, during, and after your wedding. Okay?